No matter what you do, everything should have a call to action. What do you want that person to do? Do you want them to sign up on your webpage? Do you want them to go into your store? Do you want them to buy the product now? What is that one thing you want them to do? And if you're communicating properly, then they will take action on it, because the only way you know if communication is working is by the response you get. So if you're getting the right response, you're communicating correctly. If you're not getting the right response, you're not communicating correctly. So go back to that original thing. Is it simple? Is it specific? And does it have some sizzle? All right, hopefully those help. Let's get this going. Leave comments below. What is your sizzle? What is it specifically you do? I don't care. Let's share not just sells. I don't want sell-y things below there, you know. But what is it you do and why are you passionate about it? Share a little snippet about that, like a sentence, a little blurb. Think of like a tweet size thing and share it below so we can begin to communicate and talk to you a little bit, so we get to know you, so we can all create sizzle together and help each other out. Because that's what a community of entrepreneurs is all about. It's been Entrepreneur's Notebook. Hopefully you're enjoying this series. If so, like I said, leave comments, subscribe above, and let's make this thing the best community we can, because we're all part of it. We're all participants. Not watchers, participants. As an entrepreneur, you don't just sit around and watch things happen. You make things happen. So as an entrepreneur, I want you to respond. If you're watching these videos and you've watched 2 or 3 or 4 of these videos and you haven't responded, shame on you. Shame, shame, shame. That's an old thing. But anyway, seriously, respond. Get part of the community. If you're getting something out of this, then put some information there. If you're not getting anything out of it, add your 2 cents. Maybe you have something to add to the conversation. I don't want just comments, great, thanks, gee golly. That's not comments. A comment says, hey, you know, you talked about this. What I do in my business, I do this. Or you say, hey, you said this one thing, and I don't agree with that. Here's what I think it ought to be. That's okay. That's what communication is all about. We're going to grow when we sharpen each other. There's a Bible verse about that. It's one man sharpens another. You know, so it's important we do that. We sharpen each other, make each other stronger, and help each other out. That's what being part of a community is all about. All right, I'll see you on the next video on the Entrepreneur's Notebook. Bye.